How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of a double chin in only 3 minutes, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So first exercise that we are going to do, you guys, is we're going to raise our chin like this. It's 5, keep going, 6, 10. Perfect, quick little break. What we're gonna do next is half circles with our neck, so just like this. That's 2, 3, 4, 10. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next thing we want to do is teeth touches. So you can get your teeth top, bottom, and you're just going to touch them real gently like this. Perfect. Quick little break. The next exercise is the fish face. So you're going to go like this. You're going to pull your cheeks in like this. Quick little break. We're going to go back to teeth touches. Perfect. We're then going to lift our head like this. Perfect. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.